Original, puffin' on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a coming, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is debbyoje. If you're new, I'd like you to take a moment to go down below and hit that red subscribe button. And if you're old, welcome back. Today's video is going to be me showing you how I achieve my wash and goes on my natural hair. So we're bringing it into the bathroom today because it's getting a little personal in here. My wash and goes don't take that long, but I like to spend all my time in the bathroom when I'm doing my wash and goes. So I like to have a handy dandy seat to sit on so that I'm not standing and my legs aren't aching. I also like to have my phone so I can play some music and basically get in the groove of things. And yeah, this is how I achieve my wash and goes. So if you'd like to see how I get my hair looking like this, then please keep on watching.
Alright guys, I'm starting on freshly pre-pooed hair, and then I'm just letting some water run through my twist, and then I'm going to go ahead to apply my ORS olive oil creamy aloe shampoo. And this shampoo is very moisturizing. It removes buildup from the hair and it gently cleanses and neutralizes the hair. And I'm going ahead to shampoo in sections. So this is the first section of my hair I'm shampooing, and I'm making sure to really get in there and twist my hair back up and then move on to the next section, as you guys can see. And I'm just being generous with that shampoo and making sure that I cleanse out all the dirt and all the pre-poo treatment that is already in my hair. Now that I'm done shampooing my hair, I'm just going to start rinsing out all the shampoo in sections of my hair. And I'm going to make sure I rinse out my hair really well because I don't want any shampoo left over in my hair. Next, I'm going in with the ORS Olive Oil Replenishing Conditioner. And this is a penetrating hair conditioner that helps to increase moisture and repair damage. This conditioner is really good. I really love the way it leaves my hair feeling soft and moisturized, and it really helps to bring my curls back to life as well, which is why I absolutely love it. And I'm just applying it to all the sections of my hair generously, and I'm just raking it through, and this is what my hair is looking like. It's getting so defined without even any product in it. And then I'm going to twist it back up and continue with the rest of the sections, and then rinse it all out when I'm done. The third step is going in with the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask as my deep conditioner, and I'm just going to apply this to all the sections of my hair. Guys, when I say this deep conditioner is the truth, I'm telling you, it is the truth. This is the best product Shea Moisture has released, and I'm telling you guys, my hair absolutely loves this product. I just really use this to deep condition. I saturate it in my hair and then I twist it into 4 sections, and then I cover my hair with a plastic cap, and I usually leave this in my hair for about 10 to 12 hours. After deep conditioning, my hair is feeling soft and moisturized, and I'm just rinsing out the deep conditioner. And you guys, honestly, this is the best way to do a wash and go because your hair is tangle free, it's really moisturized, and it's already getting a little bit of definition, so you don't have much work to do when you're doing your wash and go. I'm starting my wash and go now, and I really love to do my wash and goes in the shower because it keeps everything neat and tidy, and it just helps me save time. The first product I'm going in with is the Nature's Gentle Touch Intensive Leave-In Conditioner, and I'm just going to start on a little section at the back of my hair, and I'm going to smooth that leave-in conditioner into my hair. And what I'm just doing is smoothing out the frizz that I could possibly have. And then I'm going in with the Cream of Nature with Argan Oil Pudding Perfection Curl Enhancing Cream. And I'm using this as my styler. And I'm just applying more water to my hair as I go along, because this is the absolute most important trick for wash and goes, guys. The more water you have in your hair, the better your wash and go is going to come out, and the more defined your curls are going to be. So I'm just raking that through my hair. And as you can see, my curls are getting really, really defined. And then I'm going in with the Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel, and I'm just using that to seal in the styler. And I'm also raking that through my hair. And as you can see, I'm raking my hair through and then I'm dropping it. I'm raking it and then I'm dropping it. And this is what my curls are looking like. And they're really, really separated. They're really, really defined. And I really like the fact that they're not clumped together. And this is what the tips of my hair look like as well. It's amazing. I'm showing you guys what I did again. I'm going in with that leave-in conditioner. I'm smoothing it through the section of the hair and making sure I don't have any frizz by using my hands to just smooth it down. And then I'm adding water and then going in with my Cream of Nature styler. I'm raking that through my hair, making sure my hair is very, very wet, making sure that I'm defining the curls as I'm going, and I'm just pulling them out. Then I'm going in with more water and then I'm applying the Aunt Jackie's gel to seal in all the moisture I have in my hair and just seal in the product and help it stay on my head, basically. So I'm just raking that through and dropping it, raking it and dropping it, raking it and dropping it, and making sure that my curls are properly defined. And now that I'm done with my hair, I'm just doing the shake method, and this just releases excess water from your hair and helps it to dry faster. Now I'm going in with Jamaican black castor oil, and I'm just applying this to my edges to help it lay back flat and promote growth. And then I'm putting hair clips on the top of my head because I like my wash and goes to dry backwards, and this just holds it in place. And this is what my hair is looking like currently. And yeah, guys, this is my hair dry, and I'm just going ahead to apply my part to the side of my head now. And then I'm using the EcoStyler black castor oil and flaxseed gel to smooth down my edges so that they lay in place and look cute. And then I'm going to fluff out my wash and go. And yeah, guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up. Also subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Comment and share this video with all your friends. And I'll see you guys in my next one.
Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar, cause you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see.